Of value equivalent to $71.3800 a coin. The present reach, $68.9300, $71.9000. The earlier day close, $69.3400. The change was plus 2.0400. Plus 2.94%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Aave. Aave cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at $70.5. Greatest cost $86.6. Least cost $58.0. The normal for the month $72.8. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $76.0. Change for July 7.8%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $76.0. Greatest cost $97.7. Least cost $65.0. The normal for the month $80.5. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $83.3. Change for August 9.6%. Aave cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at $83.3. Greatest cost $98.3. Least cost $83.3. The normal for the month $89.2. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $91.9. Change for September 10.3%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Before all else cost at $91.9. Most extreme cost $91.9. Least cost $77.7. The normal for the month $86.3. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $83.5. Change for October 9.1%. Aave cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $83.5. Most extreme cost $84.6. Least cost $73.6. The normal for the month $80.2. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $79.1. Change for November 5.3%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $79.1. Greatest cost $81.2. Least cost $70.6. The normal for the month $76.7. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $75.9. Change for December 4.0%. Aave cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at $75.9. Greatest cost $75.9. Least cost $65.7. The normal for the month $72.0. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $70.6. Change for January 7.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $70.6. Greatest cost $87.6. Least cost $70.6. The normal for the month $77.7. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $81.9. Change for February 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for WOC 2024. Before all else cost at $81.9. Most extreme cost $81.9. Least cost $64.0. The normal for the month $74.2. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $68.8. Change for spring 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $68.8. Greatest cost $68.8. Least cost $53.8. The normal for the month $62.3. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $57.8. Change for April 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $57.8. Most extreme cost $69.6. Least cost $57.8. The normal for the month $62.6. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $65.0. Change for May 12.5%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset cost at $65.0. Most extreme cost $65.0. Least cost $53.2. The normal for the month $60.1. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $57.2. Change for June 12.0%. Aave cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $57.2. Most extreme cost $57.2. Least cost $46.1. The normal for the month $52.5. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $49.6. change for July 13.3%, Aave cost expectation for September 2025, first and foremost cost at $33.3, greatest cost $33.3, least cost $26.0, the normal for the month $30.2, Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $28.0, change for September 15.9%, Aave to United States dollars expectations for October 2025, to start with cost at $28.0, greatest cost $28.0, least cost $22.4, the normal for the month $25.6, Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $24.1, change for October 13.9%, Aave cost expectation for November 2025, at the outset cost at $24.1, most extreme cost $30.0, least cost $24.1, the normal for the month $26.6, Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $28.0, change for November 16.2%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for December 2025, before all else cost at $28.0, most extreme cost $31.0, least cost $27.0, the normal for the month $28.8, Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $29.0, change for December 3.6%, Aave cost expectation for January 2026, in the first place cost at $29.0, greatest cost $36.0, least cost $29.0, the normal for the month $31.9, Aave cost figure toward the month's end $33.6, change for January 15.9%, Aave to United States dollars expectations for February 2026, initially cost at $33.6, most extreme cost $41.7, least cost $33.6, the normal for the month $37.0, Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $39.0, change for February 16.1%, Aave cost expectation for WOC 2026, first and foremost cost at $39.0, greatest cost $48.3, least cost $39.0, the normal for the month $42.9, Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $45.1, change for spring 15.6%, Aave to United States dollars expectations for April 2026, in the first place cost at $45.1, greatest cost $56.0, least cost $45.1, the normal for the month $49.6, Aave cost figure toward the month's end $52.3, change for April 16.0%. Aave cost expectation for May 2026, first and foremost cost at $52.3, greatest cost $64.9, least cost $52.3, the normal for the month $57.6, Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $60.7, change for May 16.1%, Aave to United States dollars